Hello, it's Jilly here with a very quick video showing you how to make these pretty earrings using my latest free printable. You can get this free A4 printable over on my website, which is www.funcraftstodoathome.com, and there will be a link on the end screen of this video. So this is what you're going to need to make these earrings. You will need to download and print a copy of this design. You are also going to need something to punch a hole in the earrings with. I use this 1.8mm Euro punch tool. You'll also need a glue stick, and you're going to need something to roll the beads with. I just use a popsicle stick with a pencil grip attached. It just makes the popsicle stick easier to grip when you're rolling. You will also need a Sharpie marker to colour the edges of your bead strips. You'll need some jump rings and you will need some earring findings. To get started, you print your design off onto a thick glossy photo paper, then you cut your strips out. You colour the edges with the relevant colour Sharpie marker so that you don't get that white strip around the edge. Do the end as well. And then once you've done that, you need to colour the end that you start rolling from. That's so you don't get a white middle. So then take your glue stick, glue the end of the strip, and then wind the bead. It's very easy to do this, and you don't have to be too precise. These strips are quite forgiving, and when you get to the end of it, if the design is not in the right place, it doesn't matter because you can adjust it as you'll see me do here. And it's that simple. So there are all the beads that I rolled. And the next thing is you need to punch tiny holes in the beads, which is where the Euro punch pliers come in handy. You get a very neat, precise hole there. And that's it. All you need to do now is attach your findings and you have a pair of earrings. You can glaze them if you want to, because they will last longer that way. Thank you for watching this very quick video. If you want to see more, subscribe to this channel, give me the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Also, you can go over to my blog and subscribe there so that you never miss any of my free printables, and I do publish them quite regularly. Anyway, as I said before, thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, bye.